Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by labeling the urge and planning one concrete, brief exposure. Say the trigger out loud, rate the intensity 0-10, and write it down. This shifts your brain from automatic to deliberate. Once done, choose a single, achievable exposure for 5-15 minutes and commit to resisting the compulsion. Make sure to log every attempt and outcome so you can track progress. Reviewing these notes later shows the urge fades without performing the ritual and teaches you confidence. Once you face the urge, practice response prevention. Delay first, then refuse the compulsion while staying with the discomfort. Use grounding techniques, engage your 5 senses, take 3 to 5 deep breaths to reduce escalation without escaping. Make sure to substitute a neutral activity for 10-20 minutes, like simple stretching or a short walk, to interrupt the ritual loop. If anxiety spikes, remind yourself why you're doing this. The goal is learning that distress decreases without the compulsion, not eliminating discomfort instantly. You finish sessions by reinforcing progress. Note even small wins and update your log so you see improvement over time. Then create a relapse plan listing triggers, stepwise coping actions, and one support contact. This makes recovery practical. If you get stuck, simplify the exposure, reduce duration or intensity and try again, or ask a trusted friend or clinician to coach you through one session. One key troubleshooting tip: when anxiety feels overwhelming, pause and shorten the task, rather than abandoning the practice entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.